For this county, what you want to do is click on the Overbids icon. Here is the page that will come up for Duval County. And what you would do is choose case status surplus, and then you do need to choose a date. They do have an option here for all, but that does not work. It doesn't bring up anything. So you have to go date by date, but just make sure you choose the case status surplus, and that will let you know that there is some surplus available. And I'm just going to choose one here. And there are 2 records. When you see 2 lines, that is 1 record, and you can click the view button to go into that record. So I'm going to click one here. And this first section gives you case information. The next section gives you party information. So you'd want to find the owner, which if you look over here, party type, legal title owner, here and here. And you can see right off the bat that there is a lien on here, but we don't know how much it is yet. But this is a lien holder. The Duval County has a lien against the property, but again, we don't know how much. The bidder was the winning bidder in the auction, and the name on title is the new owner. So these 2 you don't have to worry about, and you don't have to worry about the applicant. That was the certificate holder. You just want the owner, and you can see real quick if there's a lien holder or not. But down here is all of the documents. And let me bring this up a bit so you can see it. If I come down here, I can see submitted claims. There have been claims put on the surplus. So I'm just going to click on one of them. Have a quick look. Thelma Rigby. Okay, that was the owner, correct? Let me just take a peek. Yep, Thelma Rigby. So you pretty much know that this one is not going to be good anymore. They may not have paid her yet, but she did put in a claim. I'm just going to look here for the disbursement and just see. Yeah, they did pay her. This shows that they gave the check number and the amount to Thelma Rigby. So that one was no good. So I would go back to the list that it found, and I would click on the next one and look through there. And if you do find one that looks good and you still want to look into it further, for the property information report for Duval County, they call it the title search, and it's right here. You would just click on that and it will open up and tell you what type, if and how much of any liens that might be on the property. Florida Overbids gives you a link and video for each county showing how to retrieve the surplus records. There's also a link to each website you need for all 67 counties. We have helpful resources, client forms, surplus claim forms, plus we teach you the surplus claim process. You can join Florida Overbids by itself, or you can receive a free membership if you subscribe to our other website, Surplus Database. Surplus Database gives you a new set of surplus records every auction day in the Florida counties. Plus, you also receive a business website that you can customize and edit however you'd like. We do have training videos showing you how to do so. And you also receive an online database that is right on your website, and you can use it to organize your surplus records, and it helps you through the claim process by keeping track of the status that you set on each record. We also locate and download the property information reports from each of the counties and store them all in one online repository. This saves you a lot of time in trying to find all of these property reports yourself. You use these reports to see if there are any liens on the property that may take some of the surplus. And we do have videos and training to show you how to do the Lien-Research as well. If you choose the Pro subscription level on Surplus Database, we actually perform the Lien-Research for you, and we give you a claimant's report for every surplus record. If you want to work surplus records from other states, we can help you locate their claim forms, figure out what the claim process is, and gather the contact information for the county. We also have an Excel spreadsheet that serves as a template that you can put your surplus records on and be able to import those records from the other states into your online database that is on your business website. Here are some of the items you will find on the Resources tab. And this is an ongoing process where we constantly add new items that would be helpful to you to this tab. And lastly, we have a help desk on the website that is there 24/7, and we are ready for your questions.